Another Filipino favorite dish, laing. A bit of oil, ginger na, pepper na, mince. Add some water. Let it simmer. And now it's time to put our gata. Coco mama. If matabang pa siya, we can add some salt or fish sauce. This as well. Red chili, vinegar. Just let it simmer. Lemon strips to that. Mimigay natin iba.
Wow, masarap.
Oh my laing. Thanks for watching. Later!